Hi, Vadim here. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know from start to finish. A lot of times, whether you're in legal services, a consultant, a freelancer, or a business professional, you'll find yourself needing to format a contract in Word. Let me show you how to format a clean, legally sound contract in Microsoft Word, and along the way, we'll highlight key business and legal best practices that every professional should know. We begin with a blank document or an existing draft. First, set your margins to 1 inch and choose a clean, formal font like Times New Roman or Calibri, sizes 11 or 12. These basic formatting steps aren't just cosmetic. They create a more readable and scannable contract for both internal reviews and legal counterparts. Legal contracts are complex, so breaking them into well-labeled sections is essential. Use heading 1 for major parts like scope of work, compensation and termination, and heading 2 for subsections. Let's now talk about clauses. In legal writing, numbering matters. Use multi-level lists to number your contract in a consistent way, like 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, and etc. This way, you don't have to manage it manually. This enables readers to reference specific section quickly and keeps your layout compliant with legal norms. Every contract ends with the signature. Use Work Signature Line feature to insert a professional-looking area for signing. And for document you plan to reuse, you can make parts of your contract editable with the content controls. In the next step, let's consider locking the document with restricted editing. Contracts must be secure, especially if you're sharing drafts for review. You can use Word Restrict Editing feature to lock layout and styles, while allowing changes only in fillable fields or comments. You can also turn on track changes to keep a revision history of all the edits, essentially for legal negotiations. And once you're done formatting your contract, save it as Word template.x or export it to PDF. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Training for Everyone. Have a great day.